Crash course on Austria. Cultural festivals and traditions. Welcome to Austria, a land of rich cultural heritage and vibrant festivals that celebrate its history and traditions. Let's dive into the exciting world of Austrian festivities and explore the top 12 cultural attractions that captivate the hearts of locals and visitors alike. Exciting stories. 1. Vienna's ball season. Vienna's elegant ball season is a time-honored tradition, where locals and guests don glamorous attire and dance the night away in stunning ballrooms. 2. Innsbruck's Krampus parade. Innsbruck hosts an exhilarating Krampus parade during Christmas, featuring mythical creatures with masks and bells, adding a touch of the supernatural to the festivities. 3. Salzburg's Mozart Week. Celebrate the musical genius of Mozart during the annual Mozart Week in Salzburg, featuring exceptional classical performances. Top 12 cultural festivals and traditions. 1. Vienna Philharmonic New Year's Concert, a world-renowned classical music event that rings in the new year with breathtaking melodies. 2. Salzburg Festival, a world-class performing arts festival featuring opera, theater, and classical music performances. 3. Vienna Film Festival, Austria's most significant film festival, showcasing international and domestic cinematic masterpieces. 4. Easter celebrations. Witness the colorful Easter markets and traditions throughout the country, including Easter egg decorations and culinary delights. 5. Wiener Wiesenfest, an Oktoberfest-style event in Vienna, celebrating Austrian beer, music, and traditional cuisine. 6. Bregenzer Festspiel, a unique opera festival held on a floating stage on Lake Constance in Bregenz. 7. Seefestspiel Morbisch, Austria's largest open-air operetta festival held on a floating stage on Lake Neusiedl. 8. Kitzbühel Hahnenkamm Race, one of the most challenging ski races in the world, attracting winter sports enthusiasts from all over. 9. Vienna International Dance Festival, showcasing a variety of dance styles and performances from around the world. 10. Sterischer Herbst, a contemporary arts festival in Graz, highlighting innovative works in art, music, and performance. 11. Almaptree. Witness the spectacle of cows returning from alpine pastures, adorned with elaborate floral decorations, during the autumn cow parades. 12. Vienna Christmas Market. Experience the enchanting charm of Vienna's Christmas markets, offering festive treats, crafts, and seasonal entertainment. Summarizing this writing, Austria boasts a diverse array of cultural festivals and traditions that showcase the country's passion for music, art, and celebration. From the elegance of Vienna's fall season to the joyous revelry of Christmas markets, each festival adds a touch of magic to the Austrian experience. And now, a poem to celebrate the soul-stirring cultural festivities of Austria. In Austria's embrace, traditions bloom. A symphony of festivities, rich in tune. Vienna's ballrooms, graceful and grand. Innsbruck's Krampus, spirits take command. Salzburg's maestro, Mozart's grace. Festivals and arts, they interlace. Easter colors, joyous and bright. Wiener Wiesenfest, autumn's delight. Bregenzer Festspiel on Lake Shore. Seefestspiel Morbisch, allure galore. Tannenbaum race, adrenaline's leap. Vienna's dance, emotions deep. Sterischer Herbst's creative flight. Almabtrieb's cows, a heartwarming sight. Vienna's markets, Christmas cheer. Austria's traditions, each holds dear. So, immerse in Austria's cultural spree. A tapestry of festivals, come and see. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?A=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.